Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 2 secret hidden codes at the Sony Xperia 5. So by the way, this works also for the Sony Xperia 1 and also with other Xperia devices. Okay, so let's start. We need the dialer here for and the keypad. So let's start with the first code. It's the testing mode. It's star hash 4636 hash star hash star. Okay, now we are in a testing mode, and let's come here to the first point. It's the phone information. Here you will see the email number. You can here run a ping test and so on and so on. And yeah, the second point here is very interesting, is the usage statistics. These are the usage statistics. Here you can see when you have used the app at the last time, and how long you have used this app or this feature. Now, here the settings I've used the most, more than 30 minutes. The camera almost 9 minutes, and so on. And also with the apps here on YouTube, I've used just in half minutes. Sorry YouTube. Could be more next time. And yeah, I can sort it also by the usage time, like now. So this, I've used the settings the most, and also I can test it also like the last time used. So I've used the phone at the last time because of the keyboard, because of the keypad. So, and also by the app name if you are looking for an special app. So for our statistics friends, it's very nice to see. And we have also some Wi-Fi information as well, the Wi-Fi status and so on. Actually, I'm not on Wi-Fi. No, I am on Wi-Fi. And yeah, we can refresh the statistics. We can run a ping test, and yeah, everything passed. That's well, I'm happy for. And let's go back to the keypad, because we are going now to the service menu with star hash 7378 and 423 hash star. Okay, looks simple, but it's very nice. The first point is here the service info. We have here the model info number in case you want to check if what model you have right now. And then we have also the software info, which software is actually running on that phone, and so on and so on. If the phone have a SIM log, the firmware info, and so on and so on. So nice stuff here. But very interesting is the second point here, the service tests, because with this test you can check your phone a bit. Like, let's start the keyboard and switch. So to return to the service test, wait 8 seconds, okay. And then the touch, here we have a free drawing test. We can draw something here inside. That's look good. Looks well. Swipe up here to go back. And the draw grip test is really a test if the touch screen is working, because you can now here cross the X, and each block you hit becomes yellow. And oh, I'm good, huh? Yeah. It's like going worst. So after you have solved everything, you can go back. So swipe up again here to go to the arrow and so on. You can tap the red screen here if everything is well. You can check very well the red screen, and also you can check very well the tap test green. Same thing. Also the blue one as well. Same thing, as I said. So a nice test. You should really try it. Then we come to the display point here. Looks also well. Each color is shown good. Okay, to go back, use the arrow again here. Then the LED illumination here seems to be okay as well. Then the speakers. Do we have a sound here? No, we have no sound. Then it doesn't make sense so much. I hear something, I don't hear some. Then the stereo speaker left. Okay, it's not, oh, should I be worried? The speaker test right. Okay, we jump to the earphone. Now hear something. Okay, do you hear something as well? I should make it louder, huh? Here. This was the reason why, because it wasn't on loud, my phone. Okay. Then let's check maybe again the speaker. Do I listen to something here? No, I hear nothing. No. It was on silent. Excuse, it was on silent. Okay, then the stereo one left should work as well. If I make it louder here as well. Yeah, so you can make a nice test if the speakers are working, or the left one is working, the right one is working. Yeah, so yeah, I'm excited. The microphone, I don't know. Yeah, now you see it is recording. Now it's playing. Play it again. Naja, ist egal. You've heard what I said. So now the secondary microphone. Now it's recording the secondary microphone. The one for the surrounding noise. Yes, it works. Also the one here on the top, this is the second microphone to reduce the noises on the background if you're on the phone. And yeah, what's next? The vibrator starting test. Oh, that's very powerful. I think, I don't know what this means. Enter the time for the vibration. I think these are the seconds. Yes, it seems to be the seconds. So, yeah, 8 seconds. Okay, then the main cam, that should be this one here. Yeah, it works. Processing image. Okay, picture as well. My hand looks nice. Then the main cam 2. As you know, we have 2 cams here. Okay, seems to be well as well. And the main cam 3. Okay, this is the wide angle cam here. Works very well as well. Then the front camera. Now you see how I'm working. Oh, my nose you see as well. Okay, this is how I'm working. Then the flash LED. Yeah, looks good. So then we can check the Bluetooth and so on. Yeah, we can allow it. Then he's checking Bluetooth stuff nearby, but that takes too much time. This test have stopped. So the same with Wi-Fi, NFC, and GPS. I think we could. We can make a GPS location test. Waiting location. Now you know where I am. For mathematics friends, so and geography friends. I have here a compass as well. Okay, I have to do some stuff here. If you have a bit more space like me here, you see I'm limited in space here. Okay, then the accelerometer. Yeah, I'm sure there are some people who can tell this word was have a better accent than me. I'm a German guy, my English is not that well. I hope you can understand me. Oh, this is a nice game, I like this. But also if I'm not good, I cannot stop this little ball here. Naja, may you do it better than me? Let's start a contest. Okay, then we have here the ambient light. I need the gyroscope sensor we have as well. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. So these sensors, by the way, are very important if you're doing a game, or also for this augmented reality stuff, because these sensors recognize if you move your phone and so on. So these sensors should really work. Then we have the ambient light sensor. I thought now is coming something romantic, but okay, the proximity switch looks good. The hail element test, I don't know what it is. The pressure sensor sounds interesting. So if I press now on the screen, okay, this is it's changing. If I'm press as of my my power, how much I'm pressing on the screen. And then we have real-time clock. Okay. Okay. I think we are in real time now. Then the total call time. As you can see, I've never called someone. I never called someone called me. And then we have the storage. I think this is also nice because you can test the storage. I actually have no SD card inserted, but the internal mass storage is inserted. Okay, I thought we see some statistics. Then the battery health test. Oh, that's good. Okay, good. No need to replace it. Okay, our battery is well, and we see the milliampere hours, and the battery health status is well. Good to know. And yeah, the fingerprint tests. So there's a fingerprint sensor here on the side, and fingerprint status not okay. So fingerprints test. Don't touch fingerprint sensor. What I'm doing? The sensor is okay. Okay. So don't touch the like me. I should read first. Don't touch the fingerprint sensor here on the side. Side sense works also here. Okay, what's next? The speaker collaboration status sounds good, and calibrated sounds better. OGBC takes pictures and video, allow. Okay, this looks good. That looks good. So then the haptic sync, I don't know what it is, and display out test. Please connect the phone to the monitor. If you want to connect the phone to a monitor, then you can make a test here as well. Yeah, that's it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed that video and that I could show you something new. And yeah, maybe you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up because this would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos. If you're interested in or just subscribe me. And yeah, it would be really a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.